Welcome to the Children's Gallery at Tennessee State Museum, a hands-on interactive play space where history comes to life. This gallery lets kids explore Tennessee's past through fun exhibits, dress-up areas, and creative play stations. Whether they're building a log cabin, discovering fossils, or pretending to be a pioneer, your little ones will be learning and laughing the whole time. And the best part is that it's free for everyone. This one-room play space has impactful interactive displays where you can use math to calculate how much vegetables you are going to purchase. There is a music area where you can push buttons on the walls and have music play. You can dress up as a person from the past or grab a great book, take a seat, and relax. Either way, you will be spending a few hours here out of your day. Trust me, your kids will not want to go home. It's more than just play, it's discovery. It's imagination. It's a space that encourages curiosity while celebrating Tennessee's rich history.